to help with their annual appeal, the Sunshine Division, Saturday night. And then afterwards, we went over and saw the holiday lights, and what a perfect evening for it, Natasha. It was dry.
Yeah, really nice. And
so you listened to her forecast?
I listened to your forecast.
Okay.
You planned it out. Good. I like to hear that.
Right?
Yeah, I wouldn't tell you if I did.
Yeah, Jeff. All right, tomorrow night, though, we are back to more of that rain in the forecast. So get ready for that. Tonight's your last night, a dry night out there. Current conditions look like this. We have 42 degrees in Portland, and your sunrise time tomorrow morning, 7:39, dew point 39, and wind barely there out of the southwest at 3 miles per hour. So lacking any serious wind the last few days. I'm going to talk about that air stagnation advisory, but let's take a look at today. We did reach a high of 48. Our low temperature this morning in Portland was 42. So that puts us above average for our morning low temperature and close to average for daytime high. We've been as warm as 60 degrees this time of year, and we've been as cold as 12 degrees. That was in 2009, record low for the day. So air stagnation advisory, that's still in effect and will remain in effect until noon tomorrow. But as we look at air quality conditions right now at the AQI, it's in the good category across the board. So you're looking okay so far. But we've been lacking any serious wind to mix things out. But by tomorrow afternoon, all that should be changing. Now, let's take a look ahead, 4 days ahead, your snow forecast. These are your 4-day snowfall totals, which will change quite a bit. So take these numbers with a grain of salt at this point. Just want to give you an idea of the kind of snow that we can see in the mountains. So this is above 5,000 feet. We could get close to 5 or 6 inches right around Mount Hood, over to Meadows, Timberline. And if you're going to be doing any traveling at the end of the week, more impressive numbers look to be in Washington and up into Canada. Whistler, possibly over a foot of snow during that 4 or 5 day period. So Snoqualmie Pass, closer to about, again, a foot of snow possible by the time we get to this weekend. Grants Pass, not expecting much more than a fraction of an inch. Baker City could get anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches of snow. Here is your ski report. Not much has changed for us. Your 24-hour total, 0. No surprise there. You have a 17-inch base both at Timberline, Mount Hood Meadows, Bachelor, 14 inches. Nothing to measure yet at Ski Bowl. So let's take a look at your rain forecast. All dry tonight through tomorrow morning, and then right about the time we get to your lunch hour into the afternoon, we're expecting most areas should see the rain up to the Cascades by about 5 o'clock, and then east of the Cascades into the Dalles and down through Central Oregon, expecting rain to arrive possibly closer to about 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. We get a few breaks overnight, Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, then Wednesday morning into the afternoon. More of that rain arrives for you, lasting through the evening. Again, snow accumulations continue. At this point, still above the mountain passes all the way through Thursday and again Friday. And you see the theme here. And into the weekend, we also expect more rain and more mountain snow. So how much rain could we see? Well, again, now let's take a look at this 4-day rain total. We go from tomorrow afternoon, lasting through Friday night. Potential rain totals, we could see as little as an inch, as much as 1.5 inches here in the valley, possibly closer to about 2 or even 2.5 inches total possible for you at the coast. And that's okay if you stretch it out over a 4-day period. We just don't want that in a 24-hour period. So again, this is a 4-day total going from Tuesday lasting through Friday. Temperatures at the coast tomorrow, you'll wake up to about 44 at Seaside, a high of 50 degrees, expecting the rain pretty much all day long. In Portland, waking up to temperatures in the lower 40s, afternoon highs not much higher than that, mid to upper 40s expected. Central Oregon right around freezing for you, afternoon highs in the mid 40s, Baker City up to 39, as well as Pendleton. The Dalles, a high of 40 tomorrow. Again, expecting rain tomorrow night for you in the Dalles. Hood River up to 39 tomorrow for your daytime high, but those overnight lows going to keep it above freezing. Government Camp, a high of 40 degrees. Now for your 7-day forecast, you can see the pattern continues with more rain lasting through the weekend into Monday. But I think the most significant thing to point out here is that in this month of December, we are keeping this week those morning temperatures above freezing. So we are not talking about valley snow this week.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, I think that's easing a lot of people's worry as we move into winter. We'll be right back, everybody.